Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a Dungeon Roll Hero Booster Pack. This is Hero Booster Pack number 1, put up by Tasty Minstrel Games in 2013. Aimed for ages 8 and up. Retailed for originally about $5. And it was batch code TMG5-2013. So this is just a little add-on pack. So let's open this up and see what we got in here. It's perforated, so that should make it a little easier. Alright, so we got a little booklet with the heroes listings in it. That's pretty cool. Art's not bad overall. It's the same quality as the other book in the main box. So first up we have the Thaumaturge on one side, and it says specialty, all chests become potions. And then the Alchemist, which has specialty, all chests become potions. Then we have the Berserker on one side, and on the other side we have the Dwarf. So the specialty here is the Dwarf starts with 2 party die in the graveyard. Whenever a champion defeats 2 monsters, re-roll it instead of discarding. Same thing for the Berserker. Then we have the Clutcherian. Specialty, all potions may be used as chests. Discard all treasure tokens at game end. And then on the other side is the Leprechaun. So that's this side and here. Then we have the Dungeoneer. Specialty, when forming the party, roll 6 dungeon dice and assign them to levels 1, 2, and 3. And on the other side, we have the Scout. Then we have the Drakekin. Specialty, as soon as there are 3 or more die in the Dragon's Lair, discard all dice in the Dragon's Lair. And the Sorceress is on the other side. Then we have the Tomb Raider. Specialty, when forming the party, draw 2 treasure tokens, discard 6 treasure tokens at game end. And on the other side is the Archaeologist. Then we have the Ranger. Specialty, once per level, you may re-roll 1 goblin. And on the other side is the Tracker. Then we have the Undead Viking. Specialty, when forming the party, remove 2 party dice from the game and take 5 champions instead of rolling. All skeletons become potions. On the other side is just a regular Viking. And Viking Fury lets you tap to discard all dice in the Dragon's Lair. Now I'll note that there's a symbol in the bottom corner to indicate which set it's from, I believe. That's usually what the symbols mean down there. But that is really all there is to it. There's not a lot in here. And that is the Dungeon Roll Hero Booster Pack number 1. You get the cards and a little booklet. The booklet's pretty handy. But that's really all there is to it. Like I said, these were originally $5. You might be able to find them varying price. They might be a little more if this goes out of print. But otherwise, that's what's inside. This is just a short one today, sorry. But that'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. We hope to see you on the next episode of What's Inside.